These smoky roasted sweet potato tacos are easy. Spice sweet potato on warm tortillas with cool avocado cream and crunchy slaw. You roast cubed sweet potato with paprika and cumin until crisp. Then add black beans, cabbage, tomato, and zingy lime avocado cream. Toss cubed sweet potato with olive oil, paprika, cumin, salt and pepper, then roast at 200 degrees Celsius until soft and crisp at the edges. Mash avocado with lime, coriander, and yogurt for the cream. Then prep your toppings: red onion, red cabbage, tomato, and beans. Warm the tortillas, spread with avocado cream, then fill with roasted sweet potato, beans and slaw, and finish with coriander. Pile everything onto warm tortillas, scatter over fresh coriander, and add a squeeze of lime and a drizzle of yogurt sauce. Serve with lime and hot sauce. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.